Guys, check it out. I can select any continent on the Earth. Oh, fuck. And it rotates too. Oh, this is beautiful. The only thing that I'm having trouble with is loading times when it comes to navigation and looking throughout your state. So right now, global just shows this, and you can select the continent on the Earth. And then state is like all of the states within the continent. And you can scroll through that and select it. But it's not like this where you can scroll through it. So far, and I'm probably going to keep it this way, is whenever you're on that continent, you can select or scroll through the entire map that's rendered within that area. Yeah. So that's how it's going to be. And then you can navigate, save areas and stuff like that. But it's still so fucking cool that I got that. I don't know how to get rid of the black in the background. I might keep it and then just add like a rounded border, kind of like I have right now on maps. But when I go to, say, North America, it takes you back to the state setting, and then you're just like, it does spit you currently in a random place, and I'm gonna have it eventually zoom out to where it shows you like at least 4 states within your region. So wherever you're at, it's going to show the closest 4 states on each edge. But state is also just another type of viewing angle. So it's not necessarily like, oh, anytime you click state, it's going to do that. No, state is just a zoomed out version of local. That's all it is. But I go to, oh, hang on. When I go to current, and sorry, this takes a minute. It's really slow at loading right now. I need to fix that to where you can still function the app while it's still trying to load and create the PNG file for the state or local. That's the biggest issue I'm having with it right now. But currently, it loads anything within a 5 mile to, I think 5 mile radius, but that's for state only. And then local just zooms in on that file. So it's going to take a second. I still need to fix state to where it shows everything, because you see a few black spots on there where the river and water is, but it doesn't look as clearly defined. Still takes a minute to load. But yeah, I just need to fix these few things, and hopefully when I start getting it to where it loads everything instead of Texas, hopefully it'll fix everything. The other issue that I'm having is that oh shoot, it was in the back of my head. I'll have to tell you guys later. But anyways, there's a lot that I'm working on this before I can be like, oh, fuck, I'm sorry, I'm so ADHD. The other issue that I'm having, and that I can't really seem to fix without pre-rendering everything, which takes for fucking ever, you can still scroll through everything, but it only loads per scrolling, kind of like a real Fallout map. So whenever you're walking somewhere, let's say this is a 3 mile radius. If you plan on walking outside of that 3 mile radius, it's going to try to load the next chunk. But the sucky thing about that is that it takes forever, and you end up fucking yourself. Oh, it lost my fix. I don't know what happened there. But anyways, so when you try moving out of that radius, it tries loading it, and it takes forever, but it only loads per mile that you go, not necessarily preload everything. Oh, wait until the user, or sorry, preloads everything from a, whatever. It's trying to load as you go, and that's kind of sucky. And I wish it wasn't like that, but that's the fastest solution that I could come up with